Help your customers buy their dream Samsung device in 5 easy steps. Enter the customer's phone number and select the Samsung handset or tablet model that they want. Step 1 is to register the customer. Start the loan application process by entering basic details of the customer like name, phone number, email address, proof of identity, and click on Get OTP. Once the customer receives the OTP, enter it and click on Next. Read the consent form carefully and click on Agree. Next, you will fill in the customer's employment details like educational qualifications, employment type, company name, monthly income, etc. and click on Next. Select the product that the customer needs and once selected, click on Next. Make them read the purchase summary and submit their confirmation. Post confirmation, submit their KYC using their Aadhaar. To do the KYC, click on Next. Once the KYC with Aadhaar page appears, click on Continue. You will then have to start the DigiLocker KYC by clicking on Proceed. Give permission to fetch the document from DigiLocker by clicking on Authenticate Aadhaar. Enter the customer's Aadhaar number and click on Next. Enter the OTP that the customer receives on his mobile number and click on Continue. Next, you will capture the customer's consent by clicking Allow. Step 2 is Selfie KYC. Capture the photo and make sure the photo is clear and the entire face is visible before clicking on Submit. The customer has then successfully completed their KYC. Next, enter the customer's permanent address and click on Update Address. After this, add their alternate address and submit application. After submission, proceed with the IMEI verification. Enter or scan the IMEI number and click on Next. In step 3, the customer is required to sign a loan agreement with Protium. Make them read the agreement properly and proceed to e-sign. After their signature, confirm the e-sign. Once done, add the customer's email ID and click on Next. Enter their bank account details and click on Next to set up their auto debit. Here, the customer can either choose e-mandate registration or NACH registration. For e-mandate registration, click on e-mandate. Check the e-mandate and customer details, then click on Submit. In case the e-mandate registration fails, the customer can do the NACH registration to set up their auto debit. For NACH registration, you need to capture the NACH form image, take a printout of the NACH form, capture it, and crop the image as shown and click on Next. Now check the pre-DO details and click on Next. The customer has now successfully confirmed their order. Post-order confirmation, the next step is to set up the Samsung device. Before opening the box, kindly check the following things. Check the pre-DO received in the email registered with Samsung Finance Plus. Lastly, inform the customer that they cannot return the device once the box is opened. After fulfilling the above conditions, click on Next. Post this, open the box and complete the phone setup for the customer. Open the Samsung Finance Plus app and log in using the same number that the customer has used for registration. The last step is to check out. Note the verification code and add it to the SEF application to complete the sale and receive the final DO. After adding the verification code, click on Next to proceed with the checkout. Congratulations! The customer now has their dream Samsung device. Have the customer pay you the down payment and processing fee to complete their invoicing, and you're done. Thank you.